Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prabhureddy and I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject is Introduction to Python Programming, the subject code BPLCK105B, and the topics we will be discussing are features and applications of Python. At first, we will be discussing about features of Python programming. The first feature is Python is a free and open source. That is Python programming application or language is freely available at the official website. And second is it is also easy to code. Python is a high level programming language. Python is very easy to learn the language as compared to other languages like C, C hash, JavaScript, Java, etc. It is very easy to code in Python language and anybody can learn Python basics in a few hours or days. It is also a developer friendly language. Python is easy to read. Learning Python is quite simple. As it was already established, Python's syntax is really straightforward. The code block is defined by the indentations rather than by semicolons or brackets. Here, indentation means four blank spaces before the code. Python is an object oriented language. Python supports object oriented language and concepts of classes, object encapsulation, etc. GUI programming support. Graphical user interfaces can be made using a module such as PyQt5, that is Python Qt5, Python Qt4, WX Python, and TK in Python. PyQt5 is the most popular option for creating graphical apps using Python. Python is easy to debug. You will be able to quickly identify the errors and correct the majority of your problems or program issues once you understand how to interpret Python's error traces. Simply by glancing at the code, you can determine what it is designed to perform. Python is a portable language. For example, if we have Python code for Windows and if we want to run this code on other platforms such as Linux, Unix, or Mac, then we do not need to change it. We can run this code on any platform. Python is an integrated language because we can easily integrate Python with other languages like C, C++, etc. The last feature discussing about Python here is its large standard library. Python has a large standard library that provides a rich set of modules and functions so you do not have to write your own code for every single thing. There are many libraries present in Python such as matplotlib, numpy and scipy, etc. Matplotlib is for plotting the graphs it may be used, and NumPy is the numerical Python library, and SciPy is a scientific Python library. Application of Python in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are the hottest subjects right now. Python, along with its inbuilt libraries and tools, facilitate the development of AI and ML algorithms. Further, it offers simple, concise, and readable code which makes it easier for developers to write complex algorithms and provide a versatile flow. Some of the inbuilt libraries and tools that enhance AI and ML processes are NumPy for complex data analysis, Keras for machine learning, SciPy for technical computing, and Cbound for data visualization. Application of Python in web development. Web development is one of the most astonishing applications of Python programming This is because Python comes up with a wide range of frameworks like Django, Flask, Bottle, and a lot more that provide ease to developers. Furthermore, Python has inbuilt libraries and tools which make the web development process completely effortless. Use of Python for web development also offers amazing visualization, convenience in development, enhanced security, fast development process. Thank you everyone for watching this video. For more interesting contents like this, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.